how to fix why you can't send friend request on Facebook. So guys, if you are unable to send friend request on Facebook, then there could be several reasons behind it. So some of the reasons are, firstly, go to the search icon and search for someone you want to send friend request to. So if it shows follow instead of add friend, then it means that this is a public profile and you can't send friend request. Other than that, simply go to the settings and privacy in Facebook, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on the blocking. And if you have blocked some individual persons, then you cannot send friend requests to them as well. So in order to send them friend requests, you'll have to unblock them. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.